Right, for Afrikaans this week, grade 2s, you are going to learn a short poem, but I'm going to let you choose. I've got 3 different poems here. The first one is 10 klein parretjies, that's this one. Then the trein ry and swart skaap. So you can choose which one you want to do. And I'm going to upload this as well, so you don't have to learn it now. You can learn it later and choose. You only have to choose one. So you choose the one that you think you'll be able to learn best. And then on Thursday, instead of doing life skills and talking about innovations and inventions, you are going to read your Afrikaans poem to us. Okay, so I want you to try and learn it so that you don't need any paper to say it, okay? So the first one is about frogs. You can see the little frogs here. So a parretjie is a little frog. So it says, 10 klein parretjies, kom sit in 'n kring. Bring julle boekies en laat ons sing. Maak julle bekkies waalwyd oop en sing vir my so soet soos stroop. Kwak, 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 kwek, kwek, kwek. 10 klein parretjies maak my gek. Okay, so this is about 10 klein parretjies, which is 10 klein parretjies is 10 small frogs. It says you must come sit in a circle, bring your books so we can sing. Open your mouths, your backies, it's easier for you to pronounce. Waalwyd is wide open. And sing so sweetly for me, as sweet as syrup. Quack, 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 quack. 10 klein parretjies maak my gek. And gek means crazy. Okay, so if you like the 10 small frog song, then you choose that one. Then there's a short one, which I don't mind if you choose, but I want you to try use a longer one. But if you are struggling, I don't mind if you do trein ry. And you can see it's about a train, which is a train. And ry means go or ride. So it says, sakke, pakke, sout en peper. Gee my stoom, dan loop ek beter. So if you think you aren't able to remember all the words, then choose the short one so you can do it properly, okay? So, sakke, which is bags, people's bags. Pakke, which is packages. Sout en peper, which is salt and pepper. Gee my stoom, give me steam. Dan loop ek beter. Then I move better and I go nicely. Okay, so that's about trein ry, the train's going, or the train's riding, if you want to do this one. And this last one is swart skaap. Now, boys and girls, you've learned your colors. So what color is swart? Thank you. It is white, you are white. Okay, you are right, sorry. So, swart skaap, het jy baie wool? Ja baas, 3 sakke vol. 1 vir die nooi, 1 vir die baas, 1 vir die seentjie wat so baie kan raas. Now, I don't know if you can hear what it sounds like, but I'm going to read it again and see if you can remember it in English maybe. Swart skaap, het jy baie wol? Ja baas, 3 sakke vol. 1 vir die nooi, 1 vir die baas, 1 vir die seentjie wat so baie kan raas. Okay, it's like Baba black sheep in English. Okay, so it's white sheep, do you have any wool? Ja baas, yes baas. 3 bags full. He says 3 sakke full. 3 bags full. 1 vir die nooi, 1 vir die baas en 1 vir die seentjie wat so baie kan raas. For the little boy who can make lots of noise. Okay, so boys and girls, you can choose between these 3 poems which one you would like to do, and then we are going to listen to you on Thursday. Say your poems to each other. Okay, good luck.